Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You log in, fund your account, and immediately set a clear bankroll so you control risk. Once done, pick the Lightning Link title and coin denomination you want. This changes bet sizes and payback. Make sure to enable responsible play limits and note any ID or bonus wagering rules. You should select a session stake, $20 to $100 is common, and divide it into 10-20 spins per session, so you keep momentum without losing control. You set bet level and coins per line, because the jackpot and feature eligibility often require max bet. Check that now. Once spinning, focus on the hold and spin mechanic. When bonus symbols land, you collect anchors and retriggers. This is how big wins form. Also study the pay table. It shows symbol values and multipliers so you know which combinations matter. Keep bets consistent, and vary only if your bankroll or session plan requires adjustment. You decide to cash out once your goal is reached or if loss limits trigger. Don't chase losses. When a bonus or feature seems stuck, first refresh the game client and verify your balance and transaction history. If problems persist, gather the session ID, screenshots, timestamps, and exact bet amounts, then contact casino support calmly. Explain the issue and request investigation. One key troubleshooting tip: always record the error before.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.